feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over,
8 tim telah menjalani laga pekan ketiga atau putaran pertama babak 8 besar Liga 2 Indonesia musim 2024-2025. Berikut ulasan pertandingan dan klasemen sementara dari masing-masing grup.
Hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters. They're just downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
PSIM Yogyakarta saat ini memimpin grup X dengan mengoleksi 9 poin.
Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be.
Sementara di grup Y, Bayangkara FC juga masih memimpin dengan mengoleksi 7 poin.
So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown.
Jangan lupa subscribe channel YouTube Vlog Jurnalis Kutaraja, catatan seorang jurnalis.